I'm excited to introduce you to our next Lynette's Happy Mailbox. This one is called Fall Picnic, and it's full of all the beautiful colors of fall. We've got greens and golds and coppers, pumpkin spices, and some dusty purple in there too. So this is just a beautiful kit, and we're excited to get these headed your way. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what's included in this month's box. All right, every Happy Mailbox starts with a beautiful Encore color palette. And this month we've got Encore textured cardstock in Hunter Green. We've got Golden Amber, Dark Red, Ginger Snap, and Dusty Purple. So kind of a unique color palette for fall with that purple. That's why we loved it, something fun and unique. And then we've got coordinating specialty papers. This is Cereal Pearl Aurum. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's got a really beautiful pearlescent shimmer to it, and it feels just really rich and luxurious. So that is Cereal Pearl. We've got Galaxy Gold Astro Brights, just a really fun fall yellow gold. We've got Basil. This is a craft paper with gold foil dots. We've got Miri Holographic Lava in rose gold, and this has a cool flowing lava pattern when the light hits it. And then we've got My Colors Bittersweet. This is a glimmer paper, so it's textured, but it has that pearlescent shimmer. Then we have some fun mulberry paper. This is Copperunu. Then we have copper sequin glitter, and you can see how shimmery that is with the fun little sequin glitter flecks. We've got our brown leather-like cardstock, and this has a texture, kind of a soft touch feel, and an embossed texture that looks like leather. You really cannot tell this isn't leather until you touch it. Then you might realize it's paper, but it looks like leather. Then we have Glitter Luxe in pumpkin spice and neon persimmon. So we've got just brighter orange and then kind of a pumpkin spice orange. These specifically were chosen because these just look so pretty together. So, and then we're moving into our purples. We've got, this is Nina Stardream in Ruby, and it's a smooth pearlescent paper. So it's kind of that dusty purple. It's got a smooth finish and then just super shiny mica finish. And then this is a sheet of our new Encore Foil. This is an iridescent purple. It's got that same kind of dusty purple. Anyways, it's just totally gorgeous. And of course, each kit includes mystery exclusive items, which we're not going to show you. You have to be a subscriber to find out what those are. But I'll tell you, they're beautiful and they perfectly coordinate with the kit. If you're already a subscriber, now you know what is headed your way soon. And if you haven't yet subscribed, now is the time to do it right before the holidays to get all of our holiday boxes. And for our project this month, we're going to be making a gorgeous set of fall cards with some fun shaker elements. This is a see-through shaker window on the front of a card. Lots of beautiful fall colors in these cards. Be sure and watch for this arriving soon in your mailbox if you're a subscriber. We have so much fun putting these together, and we hope you're going to love it. Have a great day.